What's up, y'all? We're gonna be going on the boat again here today, and I think this is the first time I've ever done a can you ride it on the boat. I have done the same can you ride it before on the cable, so I'll link that in the description below. But basically today I'm gonna be making a disc. I don't know what happened to the one I made on the cable. I'm pretty sure I lost it, but today I'm gonna be headed to Home Depot. I'm gonna grab a piece of plywood. We'll cut a disc out of it, and we'll take it on the boat right here, and we'll see how it rides. And I guess we'll just get in this thing and go. Honestly, it feels weird driving to places not in the Prius, but yeah, pulling up to Home Depot right now. We're just gonna go in there and get what we need and get out as quick as possible. Just got home. Brady's here. We're gonna unload this wood right now, and yeah. You may have noticed in that last clip, my hand was reaching out and actually doing about zero work. This is something that my good friend Alex Albach does whenever we're sort of constructing things, and I apologize. Next time I'll put in more effort. So basically I drilled a small hole right here and another hole right here. I'm gonna run a screw through this into the wood, and then I'm gonna take a Sharpie and poke it through that hole and swivel this little sign in a full circle, and it should draw a perfect circle right here on the wood. It'll be a tiny bit smaller of a disc than last time, because last time it was a little bit too big and it was flexing out. I think the plywood is a tiny bit thicker than last time as well, so it should do pretty all right. Gosh darn, I'm good. As you can tell, I'm probably the most talented carpenter in the world, and yeah, we're gonna get this done real quick. I suggest doing a little cut there, and then we'll finish the rest here at the end. Got some quality. There you have it. All right, so I retract my statement as the world's best carpenter, because I did happen to somehow chunk that up a ton. If y'all know how to not do that, maybe let me know in the comments. Maybe it was just a bad piece of wood from Home Depot or something, but yeah, it is a perfect circle. Check it out, rolling straight down the yard. And Brady almost took out the Trump sign, but he did stand it up right there. That's pretty cool. So normally I just wood screw boots right into the disc. Today I'm actually going to hopefully attempt to run that thing through the bottom and bolt the boot down onto this disc right here. If not, we'll just wood screw it in. But I'm gonna throw 2 Hyperlite Team X bindings on this thing. The placement, what do you think? Should probably be about like, I don't know. That probably looks good, right? Yeah. All right, perfect. Let's do it. All right. Boom. Perfect fit. This is the best job I've ever done. All right, just got the boots attached on there. They look pretty good. Look like they're on there pretty solid. I attached a couple wood screws in there. I put 4 wood screws on each boot along with that, just in case, because yeah, last time at the cable park we kind of got ripped off the board once the wood got wet and soft. So yeah, we should be pretty secure. Let's go throw this in the boat now, and we'll head to the lake. So today definitely is not going to plan. The truck just decided to stop working, but Graeme, Brady, and I just installed a new starter. We went to the auto parts store and picked one up, threw a new one on there, and she fired right up luckily. So we're gonna hook up the boat now and head to the lake. We don't have as much time left in the day, but we'll get it done. Looks like your wakeboard is behind me sitting on the ground. Almost left without Graeme's board. And hopefully we're smooth sailing from here on out. There, bud. Where are we going, buddy? Where are we going? Hey, buddy, let's go. There we go. Thanks.
It goes really fast.
What's up, Air Bud?
What's it run? It'll go like 35 or 40 maybe.
That's all mine will do is about 30.
All right.
You don't need much more wakeboarding.
Nah, dude. I'd be scared to drive it faster than that.
All right, we're finally out here on the water on Lake Austin. We got the disc all ready. We're just gonna fill up only the ram fill because we want a little bit of a wake, but yeah, we're gonna hop out there and try it right now. We're gonna run at around like 22 miles an hour. Maybe I'll even have Brady slow down a little bit, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna shorten this up to like, I don't know, 65. And yeah, see how she goes.
What thickness did you go on there? Is that ½ inch?
I don't know, some thick wood, that's all I know. Did I get in?
I mean, if that's what you want to do.
Here we go. I've never deep water started on one of these. I've only done it in big water.
Did that hurt?
I thought, yeah, kinda. But I thought that, like in my head, I was riding a wakeboard, so whenever I came around, I thought that my nose had that rocker saving me, but instead I catch the side edge. So I'll have to figure that out. Can we go like 21.5? Because that was pretty gnarly. I think slower might be better. Yeah. Like, I legit thought that I was gonna go in the air, and I went negative.
That's like the worst.
I'm gonna try and go in the air though. This is like way harder than I thought because it's so flat that it doesn't want to go up the wake.
Yeah, I don't even know what to tell you, like which way to aim up the wake. Like, I don't know if you should try to ski up the wake or wakeboard up the wake or...
I don't know, but I'll try it again like this. Then we might have to drain some weight because I thought it'd be nice to have some pop, but the wake is so big that up it.
True, or we could flatten it out with the trim tab.
Oh yeah, true. All right, let's try it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, he was actually able to like cruise up it and get some pop. So, good job.
We got some air. I think my goal is just to like make it all the way wake to wake. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to land it, but my goal is just to make it all the way. And if I can do that, I'm pretty happy with myself. I guess just cross their wakes. Very satisfied with my casing the wake and butt checking.
I don't know how you survived that.
That was one of the most challenging things I've ever done. Is it me or you?
You. I'm going last because I'm going to wakeboard actually after.
I'm going to wakeboard too.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to say that I'm definitely not very good at disking. And I know someone who is going to be very good though. It's going to be Brady. He's extremely good at everything, scootering, ripsticking, even foiling on the first time he ever did it. He is pretty good on anything he does, so I think he's gonna throw down. I thought I was gonna be able to flip on that thing, but there's no chance. Maybe Brady will be able to do it, maybe not, but we'll see how we go. You wanna go? You wanna go that way or that way? Right. Yeah? I'll follow you. Okay.
Good luck. Stay safe. You got your earplugs? Nose plugs? Goggles?
I got it. Yeah, goggles.
Yeah.
What happened?
I can't edge. I feel like I'm leaning back so far. Dude, I should have put the boots further back. Like I thought they were too far back, but they should have been even further.
What happened?
I suck at this. It's hard, dude. This is...
Are you giving up?
Huh?
Are you giving up?
Yeah. So I think this is the first time in all of existence, all of eternity, that Brady was worse at something than me. But yeah, we all had this idea in our heads that we were gonna sort of flip this thing before we even got out here. And I don't think any of us are gonna be able to. Graeme still has a chance to do it, but we'll see how he goes. Graeme getting set up on this bad boy right here. He's gonna go rip it. He's got his audience over here on this pontoon boat. They're gonna cheer him on, and yeah, should go pretty well. Ready to rip it?
This is gonna suck.
Yeah, so bad. Come on, dude, get off the platform. You got this. Come on, you got it. Oh, nailed it, dude. Oh, dude, he's good. Oh, he's really good. Bro, dude, he should be sponsored for this. Bro, you might be the most talented discer on the boat.
I just rode it like sideways like a normal board or something, but I guess I should try to ride it like a disc too. But
yeah, we'll see how she goes. So what's the verdict?
I don't know how to ride it. I guess I need to know how to do that in order to flip, so I fail.
I think we all failed.
I did an in and out jump, so I'm happy with that.
Should you just wakeboard instead?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, Brady's about to rip it on a wakeboard right now, and hopefully it goes better than the disc. Brady just finished up his rip, did his first ever back 5, almost a switch heel front 7. Graham's gonna go for a quick little rip as well, and I might ride in a second, I'm not really sure. I sort of ripped my abs on catching edges on discs, but we'll see. Graham rocking his cable stuff on the boat, gonna stunt it up.
Wakeboarding?
Let's see it. Up there in the air, huh?
You know, I think it's because my board matches the boat really good. So,
and it just makes it give that little bit of extra pop.
Yeah, yeah. For the dad cam.
For the dad cam.
Just look at it.
Graeme, Brady, and I all just finished up our sets. Finally, the sun is starting to go down. It is absolutely epic out here. The day went pretty trash at the beginning whenever my starter like fully gave up on my truck, but once we got that replaced and headed out here, we got gifted with the best conditions I've ever seen, so that's pretty epic. That's gonna be it for today. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment below on what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. Remember, I'll be out here every second day forever making wakeboarding and water sports videos, so make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.